Escape to your own private retreat on 35 stunning acres in Larkspur, Colorado. A hidden gem located on the Front Range, nestled in the foothills between Castle Rock and the Tri-Lakes area, Larkspur provides its residents small-town charm and stunning scenery right along the I-25 corridor. This beautifully designed home features 3 floors and over 5,000 square feet of space, merging log-style aesthetics with ample comfort. Multiple decks and balconies provide breathtaking views of the surrounding woodlands, while the expansive property offers endless opportunities for outdoor living. With the inclusion of 2 3-car garages, attached and detached, totaling approximately 2,434 total square feet, the detached garage functions as a workshop or plenty of additional storage for the car collector enthusiast. 7076 Boreas Road offers the perfect blend of rustic charm and convenience, just minutes from the prestigious golf club at Bear Dance and a short drive to Castle Rock. Surrounded by towering pines and open skies, this property offers unmatched serenity. Whether you're enjoying morning coffee on the deck or exploring the land, this estate is a true escape from the ordinary. Don't miss the opportunity to own this rare mountain retreat. For your own private showing, please contact Tony Stullerchick at 970-765-4427.